this is the login address here. You see how it's your website and wp-login.php. Now hopefully you've remembered your login details. And for the sake of sanity, just remember your password. Okay, now we're cooking. But look, this is what it's going to look like. Now, this is your shortcut here to your website. Now, if you familiarize yourself with this dashboard, they call it. Now, this is an amazing system, WordPress, and you know the fact that it's free and it's like learning big. But the first thing you need to do, without doubt, is update WordPress. Okay, you've got to keep up to date with these boys. Now, hopefully this time it doesn't go boom. And there's an automatic update button here, and update. Now, yeah, you can see it's installing the latest version. When you do something like this, never navigate away from the page, never do anything, because you're updating it live online. And sometimes patience pays off. There you go. Okay, perfect. So now this always changes. I mean, this is their introduction page that you get when you update. I mean, everything is on here. You know, for people not to understand how easy it is to build a website with such an easy system to follow, I mean, it's just a matter of, you know, learning, you know, how the system works and just researching, and before you know it, you'll be flying. And as I did recommend in the other videos, there is 2 courses that I recommend. There's one here, which is Central Station, which is 79 videos for 47. There's another one as well, which is WordPress Training Schools, and you can go from beginner, advanced to resale right. So you can progress as quick as you want. So I have all these recommendations for you. But let's go back to where we're at here. You can read all about it, the credits, the freedoms, you know, it's read at your own leisure type thing. Now what you need to do is you need to go back to your dashboard. This is where everything happens in the dashboard. And what I'm just going to do through here, I'm just going to run through it and basically get rid of the stuff that you don't need. And then in the next video, we'll focus on changing the look of it. This is just a welcome thing here. Again, new features, because you got this new bar here. This is what they're telling you. You even got an arrow pointing to it, so let's just dismiss that for now. And this little round thing here means you've got 2 updates, so just make sure you keep it updated. And then you can see now I've just got 1 update left. So let's have a look, see what that is. I mean, it can't get any simpler than that, can it? Update and return back. So there you go, that's that updated now. And again, another message, click to change the header, background, title, and menu. So it's even showing you where to go to customize things. Now if you go back to the dashboard, now this is where it all happens. This is where you post comments, pending, spam, tags, you know, this is like your control panel as such. And you know, if you want to get all fancy, you can move things around. All these, as you see, you've got extended menus to them, so they're pretty easy to navigate. And you've got your shortcuts up here as well. You've got your new one, you can add posts straight from here, and you can bounce back and forward. You can go to the website here, and then you can go from the website back to the dashboard or wherever else you want to go. Even from here you can add a post from the actual website. So it's, you know, it's the best thing since sliced bread. Actually, I prefer big fat pieces of thick slices, but anyway. Now the first thing we need to do is we need to get rid of the stuff that's standard. Now when I mean standard, I mean this hello world stuff. Now hello world. Now welcome to WordPress. This is your first post, edit or delete, and then start blogging. So you know, you need to get rid of that because that's nothing to do with you. It's just your standard thing. So just go to dashboard, and then you've got 2 choices. You can go post, or you can go directly from here. It depends which way you prefer. I mean, it takes you to the same place. Now that's that hello world one. There's a little trash button here. You trash it, and then you see there's a trash figure, so you completely trash it. Okay, and then it's gone. Now you also have pages as well. There's also a strange page in there as well. So you got choices here. You got page there, or you can come up here or down here, whichever you prefer. See, there's a sample page there, and what you want to do is you want to get rid of that sample page. And then what happens is, just like a recycling bin on your computer, you have to empty that too. So let's get rid of the trash and delete permanently. Okay, so now if you go to your dashboard again, you have nothing. You have one category which is uncategorized, which is standard. There's nothing else on here, so it's pretty much, you know, it's ready now for you to go in there and customize it the way you want it. This is a shortcut to your comments, but you don't have any comments yet. So if you're blogging a lot and people are commenting on it, it tells you how many comments there are. So that's pretty much how the dashboard works. As you can see, you can minimize them as well if you want. So that's the first step. So I want to leave the video, but that's all I wanted to cover at this point. Just the basic of, you know, clearing up your control panel and getting it ready for the next step. Have a look at these guys, because you know they have some amazing systems, which is, you know, will boost you very, very quickly. And obviously you take over my training anyway, and you teach me a few things. So that's one of the two systems I recommend as far as learning WordPress at your own pace and on a video system. So I'll leave it at that, and I'll see you in the next video.